Hi, welcome again to Herpsluft WM, and we're going to talk more about dual screens. It's a bit tricky working on dual screens. It's not like in i3. When I click on workspace number 1, my terminal has just moved to my second monitor to keep it focused. So it switches between monitor from left to right at this point in time when I click here. Now, what I need to do, and maybe you need to do as well, is from time to time, I want to move from an application from monitor 1 to monitor 2, or from monitor 2 to monitor 1. At this point in time, I can't. So a Supershift 1 or 2 or 3 is what we're used to do on different other tiling window managers, but it's yet not set. It's not done yet. So a Supershift return, and let's do a Supershift return like so, and then we go to Herpsluft WM. Yes, we've been changing a little bit our theme and our mouse and all that in another video, and we are going to go for auto start. That's a good thing to do. And let's get rid of this. That's fine too now. And it's down here, moving clients to dual monitor. So anything with the word dual is gonna help you. So that's one dual monitor setup, and again dual. So it helps me as well to quickly find what I need. So this guy move clients to one single monitor. So I don't need that one. So toggle commands, you're out. And this guy is in. Toggle commands, this is the one that works, and it's gonna be long and difficult if you see this code and you see this code. You are wondering, of course, hey, what's all that? So chain just means, hey, let's put one behind the other. Lock is let's block everything, and let's do the shifts first. Let's lock the monitor and then build it later on. So shift the monitor to -L, what was that again? Left or right, I suppose it was, and then focus monitor to focus this or focus that. So shift to there and focus it, unlock it again. And all the keyboard shortcuts that you need and require, like the left, I probably gonna use all my arrow keys, but there is also the H, J, K, L, and that will change things around for me. Now I need to reload it, so Supershift R. This auto start is reloaded, and I can now say, let's move this little guy here to my other monitor. So Supershift 2 is, sorry, Supershift, okay, and an arrow, and things have moved away from one place to the other. And that's actually super interesting, of course. Now it's on the other side of my screen with a Supershift to the right and to the left, and up and right, well, is not working here, of course. I have no monitor, a third and a fourth monitor here. But we actually can change things around. I say Supershift to the right and Supershift to the left to move things from one to the other. So that's how I approach this thing, these things, and move it to the other screen. Well, I suppose if I click here, you see what's happening on the other side. So this was my second screen. When I click here, it's back on my second screen. Sometimes you want to do it intentionally. So, okay, go back to the other screen. So back to there. So that's how you do it. And let's see if we can do that as well, like so. This is the difficult code to do just that. All right, enjoy.